Guys, welcome back to my channel. At this time I have an unboxing for you guys. Those are 3 pieces from Louis Vuitton. Here you go. I have 2 that are already unboxed because it came separately, and the last one, something that I was looking for to get for the longest time. Let's start with the unboxing. Ta-da! It comes with the receipt and everything. And let's start from this one. Can you guess what is it? Dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. There it is. The cute charm for the Christmas collection from LV. I'm planning to put this in one of my bags, maybe my new backpack. There you go. This piece came today. The little one, the little zippy. Look at the beautiful pink interior. There you go. Last piece will be, as I said it, the passport cover. I was actually I missed a passport holder from last year Christmas. I saw it and I was like, oh, it's so cute, and there it is. So cute. They're so cute. This is a passport holder. All right, and then you can put your cards, I guess. The sales associate, the SA, was telling me that we have to be careful with the alcohol and stuff like that because this might rub off and come out. So we have to be careful. Feel free to check out other videos from my channel. I do unboxings on other handbags, but I have other contemporary designs, and also currently I have small Gucci Marmont for sale. If you guys want to PM me, you can find me also on my Instagram account as Back in Love and Style. Bye bye.